Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Medea and this is part of my free yacht stewardess course. When I started, I couldn't afford the pricey training, so I built this course myself and now I'm sharing it with you for free. If you want today's notes and the printable checklist, the link to my Telegram is in the description. Today you'll learn stowing for crossing, how to read the interior so it's safe, silent and damage-free on any passage. Start with the objective. When the yacht goes to sea, nothing moves, nothing spills, nothing rattles, doors, locks, and latches are in sea mode as ordered, power and appliances are safe, fridges and inventories are secured and temperatures logged, crew are briefed, POB confirmed, and radio set to the correct channel. Match your stow to the crossing. Green comedy hop means a light stow. Non-slip under the core, door was latched, trays in. Amber, overnight or moderate swell means a full stow. Remove most loose decor and glass. Strap the bar. Fit fridge bars. Put heavy items low. Red, heavy weather or fast run means a heavy weather rig, bed tops, mattresses tightened, runners or tape on carpets, extra dogs, zero glass in open lockers, and suspend laundry and galliopes. If it can slide, tip, open, spill, fall, rattle, or buzz, you stow it or pad it. Use a simple timeline and stick to it. T25 to T12 hours, confirm ATD and sea state with the chief stew or captain. Provision and preparation meals for sea in grab and serve containers. Check spears, sick bags, ginger and non-alcoholic options, paper towels, absorbent pads, museum gel, not slip mats, shelf bars. T4 hours, assign zones and sign off sheets, laundry, finish cycles, and plan a no window around departure. In the galley, the chef sets a sea menu, secures knives and counts and racks glassware. T2 hours, start zone stow, insert fridge and freezer sea bars and log cold room temperatures. Collect trash, seal it, and store it. Nothing loose at departure. T 30 minutes, walk a final sweep with a chef stew. Cabins, salons, galley, crew areas. Now go zone by zone and make it unshakable. Guest salons and dining. Remove or secure vases, frames, candles, diffusers, sculptures. Use museum gel or non-slip under anything that stays. Tables go bare or soft padded with non-slip. Chairs tagged and tied or padded if fitted. Align cushions. Fold throws under a bit of weight. Clip blinds and curtains. Secure shade ones. Remove door stops. AVID remotes go in a drawer. Travel mode screens. Cover lifts if your SOP requires it. Racks get non-slip underlays and corners taped with residue-free tape. Bars and glassware. Put all stemware rim down in racks and install rail bars or securing ropes. Cap bottles, remove pores and set bottles into non-slip bins low in lockers. Box syrups and bitters and sealed caddies. Empty and dry ice walls, lock or power off machines, bug coaster, peaks and stalls, secure bar stools. Pantry and service stations, stand trays vertical in racks and line drawers with a non-slip. Coffee and espresso, empty drip trays, lock grip heads, purge wands and power off if ordered, kettles and urns empty, unplugged cord secured, rubber band knife blockers or sheath knife in a drawer or non-slip, downwaiter empty, closed and locked, easily power if your SOP says, galley with the chef. Raise fiddles or rails. Stow pans and pots in low drawers with pads between. Use gimbals and pots restraints on the way if fitted. In dry stores, heavy, low, light, high, non-slip on shelves. Slam edges closed. Decant liquids to lock-in lids. Clean wrap plus elastic for risky tips. Large dishwashers, ovens, and fridges. Remove tea towels from handles. No open flames at departure. Fuel shut-offs as ordered. Keep a spill kit ready. Gas cabins. Keep night tables bare or one secure item max. Swap open cafes to lady bottles. Latch wardrobes, group hangers neatly, 2 fingers between necks, the same way. And place shoe trees. Box vanity items, store jewelry trays inside drawers. In bathrooms, put bottles into caddies with non-slip. Close toilet lids. Line bins, but keep them half full maximum. Dock windows or ports as ordered. And secure blackout cords. Kermas, cabins, and laundry. Rack plates and cups, bulk condiments, fixed microfridge bars, in laundry pose machines for departure, empty lightning traps, place detergents in kettles, irons and steamers off and cool, boards folded and strapped for cleaning chemicals, caps tight, labels out, and keep incompatible parts separated, bleach away from acids, with caddies on non-slip and on low shelf. Stores and lockers, heaviest items lowest and centered. Nothing above shoulder height unless knit. Use cargo nets and bungees and check slime latches. Split stacks of spare water cases so they won't avalanche and wedge shelf ends. Pack the little lifesavers and use them everywhere. Shelf bars and cereals in fridges, freezers, and display cabinets, silicone mats under small appliances, and bathroom amenities, foam spacers for rattling doors and drawers, paper towel under jar lids to stop waves and clean from over bowels, soft cloth between plates to prevent chatter marks, cable ties or velcro from dangling cords. Do a quiet boat test, gently shake a surface. If it rattles now, it will fly later. When the captain calls red, add the heavy weather ridge. Strip all loose decor, fixed lamps only, strap mattresses or tighten fitted sheets, add extra non-slip under mattress toppers, lay carpet runners along roads and anti-slip or stair threads, place sick bags discreetly in cabins with extra towels and water, suspend laundry and dishwashers underway, hand wash essentials only, prepare cold service options, no hot liquids unless lidded and carried on a tray with a non-slip. Communicate and sign off clearly. Each stew initials a zone stow sheet with time. Report exceptions clearly. Chief stew interior, all zones secure. Exception, salon art packed. Awaiting case, ETA 5 minutes. Over. The bridge confirms watertight or weathertight status and you log it, including fridge and freezer, attempts pre-departure. Follow an at-sea patrol routine. In the first 30 minutes, do a quick patrol. Listen for rattles, check the bar, pantries and bathrooms, lids down, taps off hourly or per SOP, check fridge temperatures, door latches, drains, leaks, and make sure the dumbwaiter stays locked. During meals underway, use lidded cups and trays with non-slip and ask deck for door help. Plan your arrival on stow. Reverse the zones, remove bars, and reset the core to the photo standard. Power up machines in order, espresso last, and confirm water. Do a quick shine where pads or taps were. Update waste and provisioning shortfalls, and log any breakage with the chief stew. Know exactly what to log. Record completion time per zone, door and watertight status, fridge and freezer temps, any equipment you suspended, exceptions or damage. Add heavy weather notes, who felt unwell, extra setups used, and improvements for next time, like add rail bar to fridge 3 or more non-sleep for poor bathroom kitty. Catch the common mistakes and fix them instantly. If an appliance is latched but not locked, tag test it. If something looks pretty oversafe, like a vase left out, stow it. One secured piece max. Empty full bins before departure and keep only sealed bags in lockers. Never leave wet laundry piles hot. Cool and dry to avoid fire risks. Silence noisy hangers by grouping tightly and adding felt or a fabric sleeve. Build speed with the practice drills. Do a 2-minute stow. Take a salon from gas use to green sea in 2 minutes or less. Run a rattle hunt. Your partner shakes furniture lightly. You silence 5 noises fast. Fit fridge bars and re-rack bottles until you pass the door slam test. Do a heavy weather mock. Strip a gas cabin to red standard and time your seconds. Now it's time to lock it in with a micro quiz. Name 3 red level actions in gas cabins. Which items must be rimmed down and bar secured? When do you lock the down waiter? What are 2 signs your bar isn't sea ready? What's your first at sea patrol priority inside 30 minutes? Plan early, secure low, pad and bar everything, confirm latches and patrol after you sail. If it can move, you move it first and the yacht stays safe. Quiet and damage-free. If this helped you, please like and subscribe, share it with someone who wants to work on yachts, and grab today's Stowings for Crossing checklist in my Telegram. The link is in the description. See you on the next lesson. Bye!